Hello, good morning students. Welcome to Unique Coaching class. Students, in last 3-4 video, we are learning short sum in Carl Pearson method. Now today, it is the last video of short sum in Carl Pearson method. Now from the next video, we are going to start Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Okay. કાલ પિયર્સનમાં આપણે ટૂંકા દાખલા જોઈ રહ્યા છે તો આ લાસ્ટ વિડીયો છે ઓકે આમાં આઈ થિંક 2 કે 3 ટૂંકા દાખલા બાકી રહ્યા છે અને નેક્સ્ટ વિડીયોમાં આપણે સ્પીયરમેનની રેન્ક કોરિલેશન કોએફિશિયન્ટ સ્ટાર્ટ કરવાના છે તો લેટ્સ સી ધ લાસ્ટ વિડીયો ઓફ શોર્ટ સમ ઇન કાર્લ પિયર્સન મેથડ ફાઇન્ડ કોરિલેશન કોએફિશિયન્ટ n10 sigma x minus x bar 160 sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar 90 sd of y 3. So here we have to find out R and almost everything is given. Only this SD of Y. It means what? This is SY. So the question is, we need R, but with which formula? We have a N, X minus X bar square, X minus X bar, Y minus Y bar and SY3. Okay. So which formula would be suitable to find out R? Here, remember one thing, we have a SY. Okay. SY આપેલું છે. And x minus x bar y x minus x bar square આપેલું છે. So remember, if sy is given or sx is given, so we know that there are two formula related that sorry, these two formula. In this both formula, you can see sy will come. Okay, બંને formula sy આવે છે બંને formula માં. So common છે બેમાંથી એક formula apply થશે. But the question is which one, this or this? So if you remember the question perfectly, what they give, x minus x bar, y minus y bar, x minus x bar whole square and sy. Okay. So if we go with this formula, we need a x bar y bar, we need a sigma xy, and that is not available. But if we go with this formula, we need a COVXY, and you can see that COVXY formula x minus x bar, y minus y bar divided by n. We have a n also. And one more thing we need, that is Sx. What is Sx formula? You can see that sigma in root x minus x bar whole square divided by n. That's also available. Okay. So it means that we can go with this formula, and COVXY and Sx we can find with this formula. Clear? I told you, if you remember all formula perfectly, it would be very easy for you. So which formula we are going to apply? This was COVXY divided by Sx into Sy. For that, first of all, we need COVXY, that is x minus x bar, y minus y bar divided by n. So 90. So we get 9. And then we need a Sx also in root x minus x bar whole square divided by n. X minus x bar square 160 and 10. So it is a 16. If we take root, you will get answer 4. So now just put value here. COVXY we get 9. Sx we find out 4 and Sy is given 3. So 9 divided by 4 divided by 3, we get 0.75. So simple one. Okay. Now the main sum of this video, that is number 23. Okay, main આપણે 23 સમજવાનો છે, એના માટે ઉપરનો 22 સમજાયો છે. Now look at the 23, almost like the previous sum. Calculate the number of observation for the following details. What they ask to find out number of observation. Now number of observation means what? Number of observation means here we have to find out n. Okay, n શોધવાનો છે. And what they give, r is given, x minus x bar whole square is given, x minus x bar y minus y bar given, and sd of y means sy given. So you can see that almost every information is like previous sum. Okay, અગાઉના દાખલા જેવી જ બધી information છે. Changes શું છે? In the previous sum we have to find out r. Okay, we have to find out r, and n is given. Here opposite. Okay, they give value of r and they ask to find out n, so that I explained the previous sum. So it would be easy for you. 23 would be easy for you. એટલે એના માટે અગાઉનો દાખલો સમજાયો હતો. So now same formula, okay, we are going to apply same formula, COV xy divided by sx into sy. Okay, r is available 0.5. COVXY is not available, just apply its formula as we apply in previous sum. COVXY sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar divided by n. So x minus x bar y minus y bar 60 divided by n. Now next we cannot do anything because we don't have a value of n. So we should write as it is 60 divided by n. Now here we need Sx, so also apply formula of Sx, that is in root x minus x bar whole square divided by n. X minus x bar whole square 90. Here you can see that it is a 90 divided by n. Now it cannot divide, so it is the answer of Sy in root 90 divided by n. Okay, ભાગાકાર થઈ શકશે ને, તો આ જ આન્સર આવશે. Sx answer is 90 divided by n into sy. Yes, we have a value of sy. Okay, now how to solve this? Okay, if you solve this, here you can say there is a n available, so you will get the answer of n. Okay, આમાં ફક્ત n જ છે એટલે એને solve કરશો એટલે n મળી જશે, right? Now first of all, this point 90 divided by n into 4. Okay, just take this side. Here it is a division, so that side it would be in multiply. 0.5 into root 90 into n into 4, and this side remaining only 60 divided by n. Okay, ફક્ત શું રહેશે? 60 divided by n. Now the problem is this square root. Okay, તે problem શું છે? આ root છે, એ જ problem છે. If here root is not given, just think that this root is not given. So 0.5 into 90 into 4, we can easily multiply that. But here the problem is root. So we have to do something to remove this root. So how we can remove? Very simple, just take square both side. Okay, બંને બાજુ શું લઈ લે? આપણે square લઈ લે તો automatically root દૂર થઈ જશે. Okay, taking square both side. Okay, બંને બાજુ આપણે square લઈ લઈએ. So here 0.5 square, જેટલા બી નંબર્સ છે બધાનો શું થઈ જશે? સ્ક્વેર થઈ જશે. This side 4 square, here 60 divided by n whole square. Now just solve this 0.5 square, so it would be 0.25. And here 90 divided by n root whole square. So we know that this root and square will be cut, so only remaining 90 divided by n. Here 16. This side is 60 square 3600 divided by n square. Okay, now just we can easily multiply here 0.25 90 into 60. 0.25 into 90 into 60. So you will get 360 divided by n, and this side 3600 divided by n square. Now what we do next? Very simple. We want to find out n. Okay, so just put n one side and another side the numbers. Okay, ek baju n le, ek baju numbers. So this n square let's write here, and this 360 would be here. So n square would be come here and 360 would be come here. Okay, we just change this 360 and n square. Okay, alternate kar dida, and the remaining 3600 and here remaining n, it would be as it is. Okay, baki no as it is. So if we solve that, here you will get answer 10, and n square divided by n, how much it would be? Only n. So we get the answer n is equal to 10. Okay, clear? So with this sum, our short sum, all short sum has been covered. Now the last sum of this method, Carl Pearson, we are going to solve. This was, it can be asked for a 1 marks or a 2 marks. Okay, Very simple and easy point. If correlation coefficient between x and y is 0.8, okay, so here they already find out correlation coefficient between x and y and it was 0.8. Then the question is correlation coefficient between 2x and y is how much? એટલે કે x અને y વચ્ચે જે correlation coefficient છે they have already find out that is 0.8. Now they ask what between 2x and y? What between 5x and 3y? What between x plus 1 and y minus 3? They ask this question. So first of all, I am going to explain what is this. Suppose this is x and the observation is 10, 20 and 50, okay, and 25, 8. Here it is a y. Suppose here 5, 6, 7 and 10. Now we find out its correlation coefficient by the any method, Spearman or Carl Pearson, whatever. Okay, જે પણ method આપણે use કરતા હોય એ method આપણે R find out કર્યો and suppose you get the answer 0.4. Okay, you prepare the column, suppose x minus x bar, or if you apply UV formula, you prepare UV U square, okay, whatever. And so જે પણ method apply થતી હશે એ method apply કરી and you will get the answer what? 0.4. Okay, correlation coefficient of this information, the R is 0.4. Now what you have to do, you minus 2 from the every value of x. શું કર્યું? x ની દરેક વેલ્યુ માંથી તમે શું કર્યા? 2 ને માઇનસ કર્યા. It means 10 minus 2 it's become 8, 20 minus 2 it's become 18, 50 minus 2 it's become 48, 8 minus 2 it's become 6. Okay, what you have to do, you deduct 2, you minus 2 from every value of x. X ની બધી વેલ્યુ માંથી તમે શું કર્યા? 2 minus કર્યા. And no change in y as it is. So here you find out R between what? X and y. Okay, first of all here this is x and y વચ્ચે આપણે R find કરેલો, that is answer 0.4. Okay, now here what you have to do, you less minus 2 from the all value of x. X ની બધી વેલ્યુ માંથી શું કર્યા? x ની જે વેલ્યુ હતી એમાંથી 2 માઇનસ કર્યા તો you will get this observation and no change in y. Okay, y માં કોઈ changes નહીં કર્યો. And if you find out R, means if you prepare column u, v, u square, v square, so answer would be same 0.4 as it is. Okay, answer same જ રહેશે. So here what you do, here you deducted 2 from the value of x. X ની વેલ્યુ માંથી તમે શું કર્યા? 2 minus કર્યા and no change in y. So you can see that this is a correlation coefficient of this variable x minus 2 between x minus 2 and y. Okay, this is a correlation between what? X minus 2 and y. X minus 2 and y વચ્ચેનો correlation કેટલો આવશે? 0.5, 0.4. You can check at your home. Okay, કોઈ પણ દાખલો આવી લેવો એનો correlation coefficient find કરો અને x ની વેલ્યુમાં બધામાં 2 માઇનસ કરો કે 3 કે 4 કે 5 whatever number. Okay, and then find out correlation again, you will get the same answer. Okay, so એક આ correlation એક rules છે કે જો x ના કે પછી y ના પણ ઓકે કોઈ એની નંબર જો તમે લેસ કરો, but rules is from every. Okay, બધામાંથી તમારે common number લેસ કરવાનો. Okay, now I do one more change. I multiply x all number with 3. Okay, x ના બધા નંબરને મેં શું કર્યું? 3 સાથે multiply કર્યું. So here it become a 30, 60, 150 and 24. Okay, here what I have to do? Okay, in a first step I just less minus 2. Now here I multiply 3. Now in y I also plus 5. Okay, y માં મેં શું કર્યું? plus 5 કર્યું. I have added 5 in all value of 5. y ની બધી વેલ્યુમાં શું કર્યા? 5 add કર્યા. So it would be 10, 11, 12 and 15. Okay, here what I have to do? So here I multiply x with 3, okay, and add 5 in y. Okay, and I got this observation. Now if I'm going to find out its correlation, the answer would be same 0.4. Answer same as આવશે. So by this what you have understand, if you deducted or add or multiply or even by divide a same number in x or in y, there will be no change in correlation coefficient. એટલે કે x કે y ના દરેકે દરેક નંબરને કોઈ ચોક્કસ નંબરથી દરેકે દરેક વેલ્યુને x ની વેલ્યુ અને y ની દરેકે દરેક વેલ્યુને તમે કોઈ ચોક્કસ નંબરમાંથી પ્લસ કરો કે માઇનસ કરો કે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો કે ડિવાઈડ કરો, આન્સર એઝ ઇટ ઇઝ રહેશે. જો પહેલા જે મૂળ રકમમાં જે આન્સર હતો ને એ જ આન્સર રહેશે. 0.4 તો 0.4 જ આવશે. બટ કન્ડિશન you have to plus or deducted or divide or minus the same number in all value of x or all value of y. x કે y ની બધી વેલ્યુમાં એક સેમ નંબર તમે પ્લસ કરો કે સેમ નંબર માઇનસ કરો કે ડિવાઈડ કરો કે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો. ઓકે, અને આમાં તમે જોઈ લો એવું નહીં કે બંનેમાં ડિવાઈડ. here we multiply with 3, here we add 5, so in both situation answer would be same. બધી સિચ્યુએશનમાં આન્સર સેમ આવશે. Now the next, suppose I am going to here multiply 3 and minus 5. Multiply x with minus 2. Okay, now next what I am going to do, I am going to multiply x with minus 2. Okay, x ને હું શું કરું છું minus 2 સાથે multiply કરું છું. So what would be answer? 10 into minus 2 minus 20, 20 into minus 2 minus 40, 50 into minus 2 minus 100, 8 into minus 2 minus 16. If here I want to write, what I say, it is minus 2x. What I do, x ને કોની સાથે multiply કર્યું minus 2 સાથે. Okay, and y I just minus 1. Okay, in a y માં મેં શું કર્યું just minus 1 કર્યું. So 5 minus 1 4, 6 minus 1 5, 7 minus 1 6 and 10 minus 1 8. Okay, I less 5. Okay, y ની બધી વેલ્યુમાં મેં શું કર્યું not 1 5 less કર્યા. Let's take 5 less. So here 0, here 1, here 2 and here 5. So I multiply x with minus 2. Okay, and from y I less 5. Now if I am going to find out correlation for this observation, here again answer would be minus 4. So here પણ answer શું આવશે minus 4 આવશે. But here one issue, this side we multiply x with minus 2. Okay, x ને શું કર્યું છે આપણે multiply કર્યું છે. Here also we multiply with 3, here multiply with 2, but with minus 2, and due to this minus we know that all value of f become minus. x ની બધી value minus થઈ ગઈ છે. Look at here, we multiply with minus 2x, so here x become minus. So if x become minus, so answer would be same but minus. Okay, answer કેમાં ચાલ્યો જશે minus માં. પ્લસ હતું, પ્લસ નું શું થઈ જશે minus થઈ જશે. So here the change only occurs, that is sign change થશે. Answer as it is રહેશે 0.4 પહેલા આવતો પછી પણ 0.4 આવશે, but only change in sign. When sign change, so here x become minus. Look at here, x become minus, x minus થઈ ગયો છે એટલે sign change થઈ ગયું છે. s become minus, so that sign change. Now one more point, suppose I divide all value of x with minus 2. Okay, x ની બધી વેલ્યુ ને હું શું કરું છું minus 2 થી divide કરું છું. So 10 divide by minus 2, how much answer? It would be minus 5. 20 divide by minus 2, okay, it would be minus 10. Here minus 25, here minus 4. And I multiply all value of y with minus 3. Okay, y ની બધી વેલ્યુ ને કોની સાથે 3 સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરે છે minus 3. Here minus 15, 18, 21 and 30. So if here I want to write, what I do, I divide all value of x by minus 2 and multiply all value of y minus 3. Okay, x ની બધી વેલ્યુ ને minus 2 થી divide કરી અને y ની બધી વેલ્યુ ને minus 3 થી multiply કરી. So here indirectly you can see that x become minus because minus 2 થી divide કરશો minus sign કોને લાગશે x ને લાગશે. So here x become minus. Okay, so what would be our answer? Not plus, it is become minus 0.4. But one more point, here y also become minus. Y પણ તો minus થઈ ગયો. Look at here, આપણે minus 3 સાથે multiply કર્યું છે. તો x and y both become minus. ઓકે, બંને માઇનસ થઈ ગયા તો માઇનસ માઇનસ શું થઈ જશે? માઇનસ માઇનસ it become a plus. So no change in answer. સાઇન 0.4 આવશે, સાઇનમાં ચેન્જ નહીં થશે. So here the point is, if x become minus and not y, so answer is 0.4. Okay, if x as it is and y become minus, here also answer change. But if x and y both become minus, so remember minus minus plus થઈ જશે, એટલે 0.4 ના 0.4 સાઇન ચેન્જ નહીં થશે, અને only x અને y હશે તો 0.4 જ રહેશે. Clear? Okay, so just remember these rules. If any one of them become negative, so there is a change in sign. ત્યારે સાઇનમાં ચેન્જ થશે, માઇનસમાં ચાલ્યું જશે. Clear? So just remember these basic rules so you can write the answer. So let's see this. Right now the correlation is 0.8, okay, between x and y. Now here 2x and y, it means what? They multiply x with 2. 2 ને x સાથે multiply કર્યો, no change in y. So I just explained only x multiply with 2, no change in y. And look at here, x is negative, no, a positive છે, as it is જ છે. Okay, so answer would be as it is, 0.8, 0.8. When its sign change, if x and y become negative, any one, okay, જો કોઈ એક negative થશે ત્યારે sign change થશે. Okay, again look at here, again I explain this. First of all, the correlation between x and y is 0.4. If x become minus, no changes in y, so here sign change. If y become minus, no change in x, so also it's become minus. If both become minus, so minus minus plus, so answer 0.4. Okay, just simply યાદ રાખવાનું છે. Next, 5x 3y, just focus, x and y become minus or no? No, both are plus. Look at here, 5x and 3y both plus, so 0.8 as it is. X plus 1, look, only focus on x. Okay, x plus માં છે. Here y minus 3 છે, but focus on y. Y minus માં ગયો છે ના, y તો positive જ છે. Just focus on x and y. Okay, both are positive, so no change, 0.8. Here x, here 7y, both are positive, no change. 2x, y both are positive, 0.8. x, y both are positive, no change. Here divide, but just focus on x and y, both are positive, 0.8. Sometimes students confuse here, where this minus 3. Look at here, in a first situation I am going to less minus 2 from the all value of x. X ની બધી value માટે આપણે minus 2 કર્યા હતા. Remember, due to minus any number, it is not compulsory that all number become minus. જરૂર નથી કે બધા number minus માં જ ચાલ્યા જાય. Okay, but જો તમે minus થી multiply કરો કે minus થી divide કરો તો એ બધું minus માં જશે. So simply you have to just focus on this x and y and nothing. Okay, just focus on x and y. There is no change, means both are positive, so no change in answer. Both are plus, no change in answer. Here 5x, here 3y, just focus on x and y, no changes answer. Look at here, minus x and y, here x become minus, so sign change, minus 0.8. This side 2x, but look at y become minus, so my sign change. Here x become negative minus, y also become negative minus, minus minus plus, so no change, 0.8 as it is. Look at here, 2 minus x. Okay, here x become minus, just see that x become minus. Okay, and no change in y, so here also it's become a 0.8. Okay, x minus માં આવી ગયો છે, just see that. Here x positive, y also positive, so 0.8. Here x positive, but y become minus. Look at here, y become minus, y become minus, so it would be minus 0.8. X minus and also y both are negative, x and y both are negative, so minus minus plus, no change. Minus 5x3, x become negative, only x minus માં છે, so minus 0.8. x plus and look at y become negative, y minus માં છે, 1 minus માં છે, 0.8. So any one number become negative, any x or y, from them if any one become negative, then sign change. Okay, if બંને negative થઈ જાય, if both negative, So minus minus plus, no change in answer. Okay, clear? So with this video, our calculation is fully completed. Now next video we are going to start Spearman rank correlation coefficient.